For over 20 years, the experienced team at KingJoy Forge has been dedicated to the outdoor metal industry, continually raising our own standards. We specialize in how outdoor fire is designed, built, and experienced. From our base in Sangzhou, Hebei, we collaborate with global brands and retailers to create Braceros planchas, barbecue grills, smokeless fire pits, chimeneas, and complete outdoor cooking solutions that combine performance with refined design. We have grown into a trusted designer and manufacturer by integrating advanced technology with extensive production expertise. Every product begins with a clear purpose, cleaner burning, stronger structure, and better user experience, and is realized through precise engineering and disciplined manufacturing. From raw steel to final finish, attention to detail defines our quality. Our facility is equipped with advanced metal processing capabilities, including laser cutting, CNC forming, bending, welding, and automated powder coating. These technologies ensure precision, durability, and consistent performance across every order. Operating under ISO 9001 standards, we implement strict quality control at every stage of production. With over 20 collections and more than 1,500 models, we remain aligned with global market trends. KingJoy Forge is more than a manufacturer. We support our partners in building stable and profitable product lines through reliable supply, consistent quality, and flexible OEM and ODM services. For companies seeking long-term value, we offer more than production. We offer partnership.